back, class. So we are still on where we have Facebook. This time around we are on page setup. Okay, page setup on your to stop your page. Actually, this is exactly what you did before now, those things you created before now. But the beauty of this is that you can actually come here and then set some things up or change some things. For example, somebody is coming to your Facebook now. Somebody can just type www.facebook _ your username. This is where you do those ones. So without much ado, without talking much, let's go practical. Let me show you how this works. So the first thing you see there is your name. Click on your name. Let's see what we open. Okay, so you find out that your name is there, but what about username? You have not set a username. What is the work of username? I just explained it at the introduction. Somebody is coming to this Facebook now. You come over here, for instance, under your address. I just move all of this. Then I stop at facebook.com with my splash. Then I will now type my username. When I type my username, I press enter. Any place I'm coming, whether it's from Google or anywhere, once I press enter, it will bring them to my page. Okay, so that is how powerful username can be. People use your username to find you online. Okay, search engine use your username to know what you are doing. So it's very, very important that you set a very good, powerful username. Things that is very simple, logical, and aligns with your niche or your goal or your drives on Facebook. So for me, since we are using this for teaching practice, I'll just set something that I think will be okay. So let me use Ceiven shop or Ceiven store. Yes, Ceiven store. Ceiven. Let me see, do we accept dash stores? Ceiven dash stores. Contain invalid characters, they don't accept dash, so we just write Ceiven stores. Okay, Ceiven stores. So what this means is that if somebody is coming to my page, this particular page for instance, all you need to do is just add the Ceiven stores to your write-up. Okay, so of make it up to see if I can just, because I like something simple, let's say C store. That C may stand for my, oh, it's not available, they've taken that already. Okay, if I use C store, could it be available? Oh, let me use what I like. Ceiven store is still okay, at least it's a straightforward something. Ceiven store, Ceiven stores. So please use what you know that will capture attention, that are also in line with what you are doing. Okay, there's what we call branding. If you brand yourself very well, your username, your product or your skills or your service, if they blend and they brand very well, you can actually make a brand from there. And remember, brand goes a long way in marketing. Okay, it goes a long way in marketing. So I'm having to talk too much. Let's save this. Let's save it. So henceforth we now have a name which is Ceiven store. They want to be sure that it is me, because this is a very critical something, so they will need me to put my password so that they can know that it's me that's actually doing this. So they also ask you the same thing, put your password and let's proceed. Okay, I think I shall allow us know all of this. Okay, on the process of trying to do that, I forgot my password. Okay, so I click on forgot password. Because it's a page Facebook reviews, I have to go to my main profile and then click on forgot password. And again, you can also change the password as you like. You can change your password at any point in time. Okay, so this is exactly where we are. So I'll come over here and then put the password that they are asking me to, and once I've put it, I'll click select. Okay, and it's gonna go. Okay, but in case you forgot your password at this juncture, so long as you still have the email address that you use, just contact me. I will show you how you can actually get those things back. Okay, just send me a WhatsApp message if you are watching from WhatsApp or Facebook. You can get the link to my WhatsApp. Okay, send me a message on WhatsApp or chat me up, or any way you can get in touch with me. Okay, I will help you to get it back, so long as you still have the current email address that you are using. Okay, so we've set that up straight up, and we still have much to do there. Okay, still under settings, don't forget. Let's go under settings. Page setup is where we are still dealing with. So we'll go back to the page setup and click it again, because we are still setting many things up. So on that same name, click on the name and check if there's anything you want to edit on that name. Maybe you want to edit your name or stuff like that. You can actually edit it, okay? You can edit it, okay? And remember, they are giving instruction that once you change your name, like if I want to change this name now, once I change it, I won't change it again for 60 days. That is 2 months, okay? Won't change it again till after 2 months. Username, almost the same thing applies. So you get to the rules, read before you act. Okay, so I won't change today. After 1 month, want to change again. Like one client I had when I was teaching her social media marketing, every day keep on want to change her name, want to change her username, want to change her name, or so you must think, do proper research and choose a name that will last, because that is your brand. Okay, so let's go back and then move to the next phase. Still on profile page setup. Okay, we've played with name. So next I'm going to go to page access. So in our next class, we move on to page access and continue like that. Thank you for having around with me. See you in our next class.